Welcome to Daily Fix Guide. And in this video, we're going to talk about is it worth it using the Dodo Webview application. So first of all, let's talk about its availability. So it might not be available in your region. As an example for me, if I go to the App Store and look for the Dodo, as an example, Webview app, I will not find it, as you can see. And of course, if I go and look online, I will find an example Dodo Webview on App Store. But if I click on it, as you can see, I'll find that the app is not available in your country or region. So first, for you, make sure that is available in your country and region, so you can even try it out at the beginning. Of course, it's an iOS app only. So if you find this on Android or something like that, maybe it's an APK or something like that, just be careful downloading some viruses in your phone. So basically, I'll just talk briefly about the Dodo Webview. It is basically good for reading articles without distraction, for also quick and single site users, for only, again, like lightweight browsing, but it's not great for people needing, example, multiple tabs. It's not good for power users who want bookmarks, extensions, or downloads, or even an example, some heavy media playback. So the Dodo app is a simple full screen web view tool. It will work well for minimal and focused browsing, but don't expect some full browser features yet. So if you want a clean reader style app, it's worth trying as example. And if you need some advanced browsing, just stick with your Safari or Chrome. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.